Look at this article, how to create interactive test reports with PyTest and Allure, and we go there. We have to download the repo, which is linked here. But if you're on Windows like me, you need to set up Java and Allure to be able to make this work. In the PyTest Cookbook, Allure Windows, there's some videos about how to install Java before installing Allure. And to install Allure, we go to the Allure website, install for Windows, and basically we get the latest version from GitHub. I picked the 2.21 and load that. I made, for my convenience sake, load it into CPython, the C drive. Basically, I put it in Allure here. The reason is we need to add it to an environment variables. So if we go to our environment variables, I'm going to type in environment. We will see, going to environment variables, in path, edit, I've added C Allure bin. That's the folder to it, to the bin folder. You can open it up there, right click and copy address as text and paste that in here. You can do edit, Control V, there it is, okay. In a previous video, you would have needed to install Java and a Java home path, and just to show us that, if we go into environment variables, if we come down here, we will see that in path in system variables, if we edit, I had to do it to my Java. I'd installed the Java as per the previous video. This is the path here for the path, but we also have to add in an environment variable called Java home, and that just goes to the SDK. So if I go into my C drive, program files, Java, JDK21, it goes to, I think, either the bin to the disk, just to this folder here. So just copy that address as text, but we can see it again, environment variables, yes, just to the folder of Java in program files. With all that set up, and see the previous video that I got in installing Java, links are inserted. If we install everything, I did a pip env rather than using poetry, and basically it's installing PyTest Allure-PyTest as per the documents. That's what I installed here. Didn't have to need to install Allure. I couldn't actually do a pip install Allure. Just doing pip install Allure PyTest was fine for me. And I'd set up Allure already in the videos. We've got all the different things here. So basically, if we come back to running the tests, so that's the command line there. Control C, terminate badge job, no. Service target. So let's just do run the tests, and they will pass the 10. If I do them with -vs, you can see a slightly different format. And now if we run the reports, if we come down here, that's run. What did I run? I ran, yeah, and it goes into the Allure history and Allure results. And we have here an index file. What happens if we open that up in, you'll get a 404. What you need to do as per the article is Allure serve results. Now I did just get that running, so what did I use? CLS, what command did I use? Allure serve Allure results. If I do that, that's going to generate the report. And there we see the Allure reports, and you can go through the rest of the article. So, in summary, if we come to our PyTest, need to install the JDK. There's a version I used on YouTube, but I made my own going through it. And also for the Windows installation, there's a click on here. But essentially, that is just coming down here, getting the folder, placing it somewhere, and then linking to it. And as we saw, I placed mine in the root of the C disk, Allure, and this bin was the path to it that was in the environment variables. And with that, the repo runs as per the article.